Having trouble with your Zebra printer? Let's fix it step by step.
First, check if your printer is powered on and the indicator light is stable. Next, open the printer and make sure labels and ribbon are loaded properly. If labels are stuck or not feeding, remove any jams and reload the media. Calibrate the printer by holding the feed button while turning it on. Your connection. Make sure your printer is properly connected via USB or Wi-Fi.
If print quality is poor, gently clean the printhead and adjust print settings. Still not working? Perform a factory reset to restore default settings. That's it. Your Zebra printer should now be working perfectly. Follow for more easy tech fixes.